So we basically have three routes given. Our basic routes are going to be the northern route, the central route, or the southern route. Now, listen, I don't care how you cut it, slice it, and dice it. If you're going to have a Mount Sinai experience, you have to go to Sinai. So my question would be, why in the world would people have a northern route that does not have a Sinai experience? Anyone want to answer or speculate on that? One.
Well, according to here, it says it's possible.
Okay, let me circle them for those who are struggling to see where they're at. We'll do them in. We'll do it in black. You have one here. You have one here, one there, and one back here. So you have this here, which is kind of on the way. So they got 5 potential sites for Sinai. And we're going to look at some of the photographs from this area here toward the end of the class. You'll notice that you have this lake on the red one. You see they can cross over. Now this here is the Red Sea is here, okay? So this is the Red Sea right here. So if you use a traditional route, you would cover the Red Sea here, but also you have other lakes that may have been crossed that could have been up in this area. On page 65, this is probably a different angle for some of these same mountain ranges, but you'll notice they got a purplish cast to them, and that's because granite, there's some granites that have a purple color to them. It's red mixed in with other colors, and it gives you this purple cast. So it's kind of a very interesting look. Here's some more pictures of the Sinai area, the wilderness. And when you look at this, if I threw you out there and said, go find some water, I mean, we're talking about pretty barren land. I mean, this is Arizona cactus type land, you know. There's not even a cactus to get water from. Can you imagine taking 500,000 people or 5 million people through this area? This would be a nightmare.
Majority vote.
Have a majority vote.
All right,
Me too, as well.
all right, let's do it. Let's look at it real quick. It doesn't matter which one you go to, whether you go to PageOut or whether Internet Explorer or Firefox, doesn't matter. Fire up a web browser. Everyone got that down so I can move on? All right, this is what my website looks like with all these classes on it. If you have registered and taken the Bible Knowledge Entrance and Exit Exam, you've got an account. So basically, you say you want to go into Christian Service, you click on Christian Service. If you have not registered for any classes ever, then you click on Student Registration, and you go here and create a new account. All right?